Hi everyone. In this class, I am going to explain efficiency calculation and DC operation of Class B push-pull amplifier. So, Class B push-pull amplifier. First, we have to discuss DC operation. Here, Q point is adjusted to the x-axis. Then VCEQ equal to VCC, ICQ equal to 0 because Q point is adjusted to the x-axis. In this point, VCEQ equal to VCC, ICQ equal to 0. So, the coordinates of operating point equal to VCC, 0. Next, DC power input. Here, both transistors produced half rectified waveforms. The peak value of the output current is Im. Peak value of the output current is Im. Due to rectified waveforms, average DC of each transistor is Im by pi. So, total IDC equal to Im by pi plus Im by pi. IDC equal to 2Im by pi. We already know about PDC, that is DC power input equal to VCC into IDC. So VCC, IDC by substituting IDC 2Im by pi. Next, AC power input. We have to calculate PAC. We need RMS values. So PAC equal to VRMS into IRMS. PAC equal to VRMS into, I can write IRMS is VRMS by RL dash. So VRMS into VRMS, VRMS square by RL. So PAC equal to VM IM by 2. So where VRMS equal to VM by root 2, IRMS equal to Im by root 2. By substituting these two, we get VM Im by 2. For calculating efficiency, percentage of efficiency, PAC output by PDC input into 100. So by substituting PAC in PDC, PAC is VM Im by 2, whereas in PDC is VCC into 2Im by pi. So, finally we get pi Vm. Pi is proportional. So, pi Vm by 4 VCC into 100. Here, Im get cancelled. For calculating maximum efficiency of Class B push-pull amplifier, before going to this, I will discuss about graphical representation of push-pull amplifier. Here the graphical representation of push-pull amplifier. Here the Q point is located on the x-axis. The coordinates are VCC, 0. So this is the DC load line, straight line. This is the AC load line. When I am drawing this, projecting like this, only positive half cycle is produced. That is, conduction angle is 180 degrees only. Only positive half cycle produced. So, when we observe this figure, Vm equal to VCC. So, percentage of efficiency equal to pi Vm by 4 VCC into 100. When we observe this figure, Vm equal to VCC. By substituting this, we get pi by 4 into 100. So, pi by 4 into 100. So, 100 by 4 is 25 into pi. Finally, we get percentage of efficiency equal to 78.53%. Whereas in Class A power amplifier, percentage of efficiency is 50% in transformer coupled Class A power amplifier. Next, advantages of push-pull amplifier. Here the efficiency is increased when compared to Class A power amplifier. Impedance matching is possible because we are using transformer. Power dissipation is low supply voltage. Next, disadvantages of push-pull amplifier. It requires two transformers By using transformers, the circuit becomes bulky and costly. Frequency response is poor. So this is the push-pull amplifier and its efficiency calculation.